It's craft time. Today we're going to make shadow puppets. For this craft, you need some construction paper. You're going to use craft sticks and your tape, and you are also going to need scissors. You might want hole punch and some pencils, and you'll need a flashlight for the end to explore your shadow puppets. So the shadow puppets are just different shapes that you put onto a craft stick that you use as a handle, and then you can shine your flashlight on it and see what kind of shadows they make. For a shadow, you just need a light source and then something that blocks the source, and that makes the shadows. So we can make some star-shaped shadow puppets by cutting some shapes out of construction paper. Maybe I want to make a red star, and I might want to trace this circle to make the star shape. So I'm going to use that inside of the tape as my circle form, and I'm going to trace around the inside of that tape. So there is a circle there, and to cut that out, I'm going to fold it in half, and then that way it's easier to cut it. I'm going to follow along that line with my scissors and cut out a perfect circle. Great. There it is. Now I'm going to cut a star shape in the middle of that circle, and to do that I'm going to fold it in half and then in half again, and then I'm going to cut out the middle just like this, and I'm going to cut along the creases of that right like this. When I open it up, I find a star shape on the inside. That's pretty fun. If you want to add more points to your star, you can just go ahead and close it up again and cut some more triangles into the shape. And then open it up. Wow, that one looks pretty neat. I'm going to attach that one onto a craft stick. So I'm going to use my tape and just stick it on with the tape. You can make all kinds of shapes with this and try them out with your flashlight. Explore the shadows that they make. Let's see what this one looks like. I'm going to shine it flashlight right on me so you can see the shape of it. Wow, that's so much fun. Now, if you want to make a whole lot of stars like we see in the night sky, you can use your hole punch and punch a whole bunch of stars, holes into a construction paper like this one. The more stars, the better for this one, I think. And then you can attach some craft sticks to this to hold on to. And here's one that I made before. And make another shadow puppet of a whole bunch of stars. Let's see what that looks like when I shine it on myself. Wow! This would be so much fun to play with and to make all kinds of different shapes and shadows. If you try this craft out, please share your results with us and use the hashtag #AirAndSpaceAtHome to share it with us on social media. Thanks so much for joining us. Have fun. Bye-bye.